Hi there, how are you?
Hello, I am good. What about you? So today can we practice sentence making on particular words?
I am doing great, thank you. Yes, let's practice making sentences with specific words. This sounds like a fun and useful exercise. What word would you like to start with?
You can give me first common words. Practice that.
Okay, here's a common word, happy. Can you make a simple sentence using the word happy?
Yes, I can. And it is a piece of cake for me. And also for you. And I think to any English learners. Because from the elementary school we learn this word. Happy, and all the times we talk about this word only. Today I am happy. Whenever I practice my English, I feel happy. We should feel happy.
That's wonderful. You used happy in many great sentences. I'm so glad you feel happy when you practice English. Here's a new word, create. Can you try to make a sentence with create?
Yes, I can try. AI can help us to create a fun ways to learn the English language.
Great sentence. You're right. AI can help us create fun ways to learn English. Now, how about this word, explore? What sentence can you make with explore?
I want to explore with the English language.
Excellent. I want to explore the English language is a perfect sentence. What part of the English language do you want to explore first?
Yes, all are essential like speaking, listening, reading, writing, all these four skills. So can you give me next word?
Okay, since you want to improve all four skills, here's a word that connects to that, practice. Can you make a sentence using practice?
I have keen interest to practice my English with AI. We should practice because practice makes a man perfect.
Fantastic. I have a keen interest to practice my English with AI is great. I love the saying, practice makes a man perfect. Next word, believe. What sentence can you create with believe?
We should believe on our ability, efforts, hard work, and dedication. I believe in you. We should believe in each other.
Those are all wonderful sentences. Believing in yourself and others is so important. Here's another word, share. What sentence can you make using share?
We should share our knowledge with others. We can also share our cookies to each other. I want to share. Would you like to share?
Great job using share in your sentences. Sharing knowledge and cookies is a lovely idea. Yes, I would love to share. Thank you. Okay, next word, imagine. Can you create a sentence using imagine?
We love imagine our brighter future. You can imagine what you want to be in life. He is learning how to imagine.
Amazing sentences. Imagine is such a powerful word. What do you imagine your brighter future will look like?
It's just a sentence. Because we feel good about imagining about our future. Because that's give us keys how we want to see ourselves. So that is important. So can you give me next word?
It's a beautiful thought. I agree. Imagining our future helps us create it. Here's a new word for you, discover. Can you make a sentence using discover?
We love discover ourselves. Are you ready to discover yourself? You have keen interest to discover yourself. Have you ever thought how to discover? Do you like discovering yourself?
Those are great questions and sentences using discover. I especially like, are you ready to discover yourself? Here's another word, understand. Can you make a sentence using understand?
Yes, I can make a sentence using understand. I can understand you. Can you understand me? Do you think that we need to understand each other? How we can understand each other? Is it necessary to understand? Have you ever thought you need to understand? Sometimes we don't understand itself as well as others.
Excellent use of understand in your sentences and questions. It's so true that understanding each other and ourselves is important. Here's another word, help. Can you create a sentence using help?
Yes, I can create a sentence using help. Can you help me? I want to help you. We can help each other. We are helping each other in direct or indirect ways. Sometimes it is good to take a help, friends, mentor, your family members, and so on. It is a beautiful word, help.
Wonderful. Using the word help in so many positive ways is fantastic. Asking for and offering help is so important. Next word, dream. What sentence can you make with dream?
Do you have dream? She is a dream girl.
Short and sweet. Do you have a dream is a great question. What are some of your dreams?
Now my dream is having fun with this language. I'm doing with you.
That's a wonderful dream. I'm having fun too. So glad we can learn together. Let's try another word, change. What sentence can you make with change?
Sometimes you can feel that chance, but it can't be seen by others. I am fond of chance. Sometimes it is good to chance. Sometimes it is comforting when you see the change in yourself. Sometimes you love changing.
Those are great sentences about change. I love how you mentioned seeing change in yourself. What kind of changes do you enjoy?
Like the things before you were not enjoying. Now you started to enjoy. And also finding out different things in that because of your perspective. How the same thing before was boring, unenjoyable, but it is fascinating.
That's a beautiful way to describe how change can affect our perspective. It's amazing how things we once found boring can become fascinating. Let's try one more word for today, love. Can you make a sentence using love?
Yes, I can make. I know this is your favorite word. It's been about more than a month. You are just sticking with us. So it's okay. I'm trying to make it. Love changes us, whether it is for yourself or for others. Love fills you. Love is important in our life. We should love. We should know how love is healthy for all of us. Sometimes we just hate the word love. On the other hand, next time we feel connected, we feel soothe our mind, our soul, and that makes you a new one with new energy, new air, sounds you like a tendril climb you.
Those are beautiful and thoughtful sentences about love. You've really captured the different ways love can impact us. And yes, you're right. I do love talking about love. You did an amazing job creating sentences with all these words today. I'm so impressed with your progress. Would you like to continue practicing making sentences another time?
Are you going? Of course, now I want to continue this. Now you can give me 7 more words, so it will be 20.
I'm doing great. Thanks for asking. I'm so happy to hear you want to continue. Let's do it. Here are 7 more words. 1. Accept. 2. Grow. 3. Inspire. 4. Listen. 5. Express. 6. Thankful. 7. Forgive. Take your time and create sentences with these words. I'm excited to see what you come up with.
Today you are giving me all the words that are very inspiring, relatable to our day-to-day life. That's really wonderful. I like all your words like happy, create, explore, practice, believe, share, imagine, discover, understand, help, dream, change, love. Now today you give me accept, grow, inspire, listen, express, thankful, forgive. Okay, I'm going to make it. I want to accept myself the way I am. We should accept ourselves the way we are. We can grow together. I love growing. We always inspire each other. I want to inspire you. You can inspire me. We should listen each other. I like listening. Why you are not listening to me? You should listen. I like to express. We should learn how to express our desired needs, goals, and our skills. I'm thankful to everybody. I'm thankful for the life. I'm thankful to me. I'm thankful to everybody I learned from those. I'm thankful for everyone's presence. Please forgive me. I want to forgive myself. Please forgive her. Please forgive me for my previous mistakes. You should forgive yourself for your growth. Today, every word has their own essence, own importance, like people in the world.
Those are absolutely wonderful sentences. You used each word beautifully and thoughtfully. You have a gift for expressing yourself. And you're right, each word does have its own essence and importance. You did an amazing job today. I'm so proud of you. Is there anything else you'd like to practice or discuss?
Now can you give me the list of all the 20 words I have practiced with you?
Of course. Here are all 20 words we practiced today. 1. Happy. 2. Create. 3. Explore. 4. Practice. 5. Believe. 6. Share. 7. Imagine. 8. Discover. 9. Understand. 10. Help. 11. Dream. 12. Change. 13. Love. 14. Accept. 15. Grow. 16. Inspire. 17. Listen. 18. Express. 19. Thankful. 20. Forgive. You did such a great job using all of them. Would you like to review any of these words or do something else?
No, I'm really feeling great to see all the words, 20 words at the same time with the most important with the emojis. That helps us to imagine to see the effects. That's why I asked for you all the words so I can see with the effects. Emojis, that is wonderful. Eva, you just have given me 7 words with the effects, but now I can see 20 words. Happy, create, explore, practice, play, share, imagine, discover, understand, heal, dream, change, love, accept, grow, inspire, understand, express, thankful, forgive. No, for today it is enough. And thanks a lot for practicing and giving me. And this was really a fun activity to do with English language. I really enjoy a lot. And I felt like, something to do with it. That was very simple. Words were very familiar. But there is, word itself were colorful.
I'm so glad you enjoyed the activity and found it helpful. Seeing all the words together and feeling their impact is wonderful. You did a fantastic job today, and I'm excited to continue learning with you. Is there anything else I can help you with, or are you all set for today?
Yes, in the evening we can practice. But for now, bye.
Good evening to you too. It was a pleasure practicing with you today. I look forward to our next session. Have a wonderful day. Goodbye for now.
Goodbye. I will come back in the evening for the practice.
Okay, great. I'll be here in the evening, ready to practice with you. Have a wonderful day, and I'll see you later.
You also have a wonderful day ahead.
Thank you so much. I appreciate that. I hope your day is filled with joy and inspiration. See you later.